Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to change the size of a image in Photoshop. So get it started. At first open your Photoshop document. Now you can see change size of image. Now go into the file menu option, then click. Now click from open option. Now open the picture. Now click from open. Now this open picture in the change size. Now go into the image option. Now click. Now select from image size option. Now select going to the now show the new interface. Now we show the picture size in the width 1200 and height it 630. Now choose from 1000 and height it from 525. Now click OK. That's it. Then again change size in the picture. Now going to the image zone option, then click. Now select from image size option. Now I choose from width 800 and height it from 420. Now click OK. That's it. Now you can see since image size in Photoshop document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.